Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can track your friends in Heartopia. Super simple, just press M and select the friend you want to track. Here I'm just going to track one of my friends. They're in town right now, so they're close. You're just going to select their profile and you're going to select the three dots and you're going to select track, and it's going to automatically track them. So yeah, that is how you can track your friends in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. I think, if I'm not mistaken, can you track them from your friendship journal? Okay, no, you have to actually find them on the map. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.